Many people are trying to find ways to earn extra money or side hustles these days. In fact, there are many things you can do to earn extra cash, like downloading apps on your smartphone, completing surveys, watching videos, or completing offers. But do you know that you can also easily make money from your phone simply by receiving text messages from your mobile phone? If you want to know how, make sure to watch this video till the end, because in today's video I'm going to share with you 2 apps that will pay you straight to your PayPal account to receive text messages in your mobile phone without you doing anything. What's up you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys another money-making apps. The great thing about this 3 apps, they work easier than most of the popular money-making apps, and the good thing about this apps is that you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just to look your text messages, then delete and get paid for that. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing, because I'm uploading videos where I will teach you how to make some extra money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. How all these apps work is they're going to send you random text messages, and you're going to get paid for each one of those, and then you cash out in PayPal or cryptocurrencies. It's that simple. The only requirement you need in order to use these 3 applications is an active cell phone number. That's the only requirement. If you have that, make sure to watch this video till the end. So for today's video we're going to start from the lowest paying app, then we'll go all the way to the highest paying app. Number 1, it's an app called Mcmoney. So this how Mcmoney look like. So what you're going to do on this app right here is that you're going to earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping them improve worldwide communication. Note that these SMSs are not in any way attached to you. You can basically delete the SMS after receiving it. So these are the 4 steps you're going to take for Mcmoney to get started. 1. Download the APK on your phone. 2. Proceed the installation. 3. Register your phone number. 4. Receive SMS and make money. What is Mcmoney? By letting them send text messages to your mobile phone, you allow the company to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help them help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your Mcmoney bank. Real money. How to earn money with Mcmoney. 1. Download the Mcmoney app on your Android phone. 2. Follow the registration process. Any questions? Read the FAQ. 3. Verify your phone number and you're all set. 5. They will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. 6. Every received text message adds money to your balance. 7. Cash out any time after you hit the threshold. Mcmoney is an Android-only app, because Android allows them to process the results of the SMS text messages they send to your phone. Mcmoney is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. So to get started, all have to do is click Download APK here, and it will be downloaded to your mobile phone, so you can use this app to make money online starting from today. With that being said, let's move on to app number 2. It's an app called Simcash Io. So this is what Simcash Io website look like. You're going to earn profits with your unused SMS messages. So what this means is that you're going to use your unread messages to make some free extra income on the side online with this platform right here. So as you can see right here, this is a potential money you can make with this platform here. These are the 3 benefits of working with this platform. 1. Get paid weekly. Monitor your balance in real time and ask payments by clicking the request payout button. You will receive the payment within 7 days. 2. Euros, USD, crypto. Simcash can pay you in your favorite cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ripple. If you prefer, you can request a transfer through PayPal or in Euro or US dollars to your bank account. 3. Passive income. Joining Simcash is free and require no investment. Once you've set up the Sims, you can relax and the app will work for you, even in background. You can chill and see your money grow without working at all. 1 account. Many phones. You can install the app on many devices simultaneously. All the Sims. Another good thing about this app, you decide how many SMSs your Sim can send daily, weekly or monthly. You can also decide day by day how much to be paid for every SMS sent. There are 4 types of withdrawals. Cryptocurrencies, XRP, Doge and BTC internal transfer between Simcash Io users, PayPal bank transfer, and the minimum payouts are as follows: internal transfer between Simcash Io users 0, 50 euros. PayPal 6 euros, XRP, Ripple 6 euros, Dogecoin 8 euros, BTC, Bitcoin 30 euros. Normal bank wire transfer 50 euros per $50. How long does a payout request take? All payments will be made within 7 working days. All withdrawals under 100 euros will be done automatically and almost immediately due to the blockchain time for cryptocurrencies. With that being said, let's move on to app number 3. It's an app called Cash4SMS. So this is what Cash4SMS website look like. Profit from what you don't use. If you have unused SMS included in your mobile plan, then this company is ready to buy these unused SMSs from you. All you have to do, install their app and get monthly cashback up to 45 euros by simply doing nothing. What is Cash4SMS? Cash4SMS is a cashback app that rewards its users for selling unused SMS messages. This opens the door to worldwide mobile carrier subscribers to make mobile communication more affordable and rewarding. All you need to do to join our growing network of mobile users, who are empowered to communicate without any limitations and let their mobile plans earn money for them, is an Android smartphone and a few minutes of your time. How much can I earn? One of the best things about this Earn Money app is that you can choose exactly how much money you want to earn. Let's say that you have 200 free SMS messages but only use about 100 each month. This is what you can do. Option A: you decide to earn as much cash back as possible by selling all 100 unused SMS messages. Because Cash4SMS buys unused SMS messages at 3 cents per message, you can earn 3 euros a month by doing nothing at all. Option B: you decide to play it safe and save some SMS messages for emergency purposes by selling only 50 of the 200 free SMS messages included in your mobile plan, earning €1.50 in total. Option C: you realize the potential of Cash4SMS and change your mobile plan to get more free SMS messages, free minutes, and mobile data. Because Cash4SMS is one of the best apps that pay you, you can use it to earn as much as 45 euros a month by selling 1,500 SMS from one number. Note that this app is available only for Android devices. If you want to download and install this app, you can download it by clicking the link in the description box below. It will take you straight to Google Play Store where you can download this app, or you can head over to the official website at Cash4SMS where download this app. I hope this video has been helpful. So, these are the 3 legit money-making apps you can use to make some extra cash in your downtime. Now, tell me which app seems more interesting to you. You can drop your best comment in the comments section below to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.